Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So we have the cardstock add-on, the patterned paper, and in the embellishment add-on. Don't forget to check out the Shots of Life because it coordinates and can give you more patterned paper and embellishments as well. So let's dig right in. We're going to take a closer look at each one of these add-ons. The first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on. So for the Whispering Way by 49 and Market, you're going to get 1 sheet of lemonade and 2 sheets of basil. And please remember, since I filmed so early and the supply issue, sometimes the colors of the cardstock will change or the names will, but the colors will be very similar to what you see here. For Lucky Me from Doodlebug Design, you're going to get a sheet of Fruit Punch and 2 sheets of Lime Crush. For the Party Animal from Echo Park, you're going to get a sheet of Sunbeam and 2 sheets of Silver Sage. For In Full Bloom by Echo Park, you're going to get a sheet of Piglet and 2 sheets of Jetstream. So you can see how well they coordinate with the collections. Next, we're going to look at the patterned paper. So for the patterned paper, you get 2 additional patterned papers for each one of the 4 collections. So this is a great add-on to get. We're going to start with 49 and Market, Whispering Way. We have another beautiful background page with the florals. I love that they've included the little field mice. It's super cute. We got chickens and a rooster down here. The back is a newspaper print. Then we have Barn Blessings. And is this not adorable? I just love this collection. I hope you guys love it too. So we have the brick background with the mixed media over here, the little cow peeking out with the floral wreath. So many details in this collection. And then we have another mixed media page with the text on the brick, stitching, that chicken wire throughout that collection. Super cute. Lucky Me from Doodlebug Design. We have a rainbow and cloud print. This paper is called Rainbow Skies. The back is a yellow plaid. We have Shamrock Wishes, which is the tiny floral print, and the back is shamrocks tone on tone. We have Party Animal from Echo Park. We have the party hats, and the back is this pinkish red confetti. That paper is called Party Hats. And we have this cut apart sheet. We have some 4x6s. We have this long border, these smaller ones, and some tags over here. This would be great to make some birthday cards with. The back is a star print on purple, and that is the multi-journaling cards. For In Full Bloom from Echo Park, we have the sun on this paper. The back is a tone-on-tone blue. That paper is called Golden Sunshine. And then we have the 3x4 cut apart. Lots of options with that, and the back is a pink striped, and that paper is the 3x4 journaling cards. So one more look at all of your patterned papers. So be sure to get that added to your Flavors of the Month. The next add-on we're going to look at is the embellishment add-on, and so this is another one that's super fun for me. So starting with Whispering Way from 49th and Market, you're going to get 1/3 a pack of the chipboard pieces. So all of these will vary, but there's lots of words and phrases and then icons. Super cute. For the Lucky Me, you're going to get the This and That sticker sheet. So we have several borders here. Lots of larger icons, word labels, the little tabs. A lot of fun. For Party Animal from Echo Park, you're going to get 1/2 a pack of the frames and tags. So these will vary among the kits, but these are the ones that I got. And then In Full Bloom by Echo Park, everyone will receive the chipboard stickers. So again, lots of options with that one. Super cute. So that is your embellishment add-on. One more look at your 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits and the individual items in the store. We have the card kit, we have the double shot kit if you're looking for a little bit smaller kit, as well as the shots of life. So thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.